Hello. Today we're going to go through a quick example of calculated fields or custom fields and show you a quick example of how you add a custom field and talk a little bit about some of the advantages this can bring to analysis and reporting using the dAnalyzer grids. You'll notice in our new version of dAnalyzer there's quite a number of modules available. We've introduced accounts receivable and accounts payable as well as general ledger. In this example we're going to go back to inventory, and you see I've already loaded up the inventory details module. I'll choose refresh just so we can see a little bit about what we're doing here. What I want to do in this example is create a column which is an increase over price list number 1 for all of my items. So really simple example. To do that, I go to custom fields. You'll notice that I've already added a number of custom fields here, but I'm going to add a new one, and we'll call this price increase 20 for 20%, and the field caption is going to be price 1 20% increase. That type of field is a decimal field or a price field, and we're going to go into the expression editor. I'll load that up, and you'll notice here in the expression editor that we have access to quite a large number of functions. All the operators you would imagine you might need: plus, minus, divide, equals, all kinds of different comparison operators, as well as all the fields that are listed in that dAnalyzer module based on their field caption, and some constants, true, false, and so on. So basically you're into a bit of a programming environment here. The programming part of it is really straightforward though, but or can become as complex as you would like it to. I'm going to make this an easy one. I'm going to say that price 1 multiplied by, and I can use the operators here or I can just type it in, 1.20, because I want a 20% increase. Now I can do more complicated things here, but for now I'll just leave it at that. I'm going to click on OK. I'll go ahead and click on Apply, and you'll notice that now adds it to the list, price 1 20% increase. And I'll go ahead and click on Save, and you'll notice that's automatically added to the layout. So now what I have basically is price 1, and I have a 20% increase over price 1. That's a really simple example. You can do quite a lot more with it. You can make it more complex, you can make it conditional, and in other examples I'll show you how to go about doing that.